In this video, we will learn how to use the RAUPIANO Plus reducer family. There are already more than one way to use the reducer family. The first way is to draw the first pipe segment. Use the quick access toolbar to change the diameter and then draw the second segment. Another possibility is to select the pipe. On the Modify tab, click Split Item. Click on the point in the pipe where you want to cut it. Now select one of the pipe segments. Now you can change the diameter using the quick access toolbar. Note that the REHAU reducer are eccentric. This can be seen either in 3D or in a section. You can still change it by deactivating the eccentric instance parameter. In this case, a custom reducer will be used. In the next video, we will see how to use the REHAU Dynamo script to assign the article numbers to the pipes which have been already drawn, and how to estimate the required number of the individual pipe parts. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.